So I must try whatever the hell she just did. I'm really interested to see if I'll be able to make my hair look the way that hers did. Okay, it looks like she went over the hair once to just straighten it completely. And then I don't know if I'm doing this right. What the hell is that? Okay, let me try a different piece. I feel like I need to like do a little more tension on the hair maybe. I mean, kind of. I'm not doing something right. Maybe I need to turn it more. What the hell?